Hello guys and welcome back to Total Crypto, and wow guys, this is certainly a breaking news. Thanks to Bitcoin breaking down, all the markets is running scared. But to be honest, when there's blood on the streets, that's the best time to buy. And luckily, I haven't bought nothing for the top of Bitcoin. The top price is actually at 40. I'm actually using database from KuCoin to the top at the top of the candle was actually 46,664. We are currently sitting at $39. As I predicted, as soon as we go down below this level over here of 42,000, that we are more than likely to head away back down towards about 37. But guys, if you look at the overall trend, we could go down even further. Once again, please excuse me and let me apologize. I'm actually at the bar with a few of my friends. As soon as I see a breaking news, I have to bring it to your attention. That way we can all keep in touch and in the loop what's going on in the world of cryptocurrency. I'm actually in Westminster right now, a nice fancy bar where I'm actually getting a few free drinks actually, because I'm actually using this app where I've been introducing my friends and they get free drinks and you can too. The only reason why I mention it is because for anyone who's been following my channel or who's been watching my videos, I would like to offer you all as a little treat to say thank you very much. If you are in London or looking to travel to London from wherever you're from, to get a free drink on me by using the app called Dusk. In fact, if you use my link below in the description, let me do this actually, in the description, you will then be able to get some free drinks when you arrive into London. And if you're arriving with a few friends or your loved ones or whatnot, you'll be able to collect enough points to the point where you may actually be able to even get a free bottle of wine, prosecco, or even champagne, depending how many people you book for a table. Now, obviously, I'm not promoting that. I think for me, the bulk of the meet is always going to be in crypto and where we are heading. So, let's get right back into the chart by looking at Bitcoin. So far, we look like we're going to be heading back into that zone over here. So, if I was to just mark up the line, it looks like at least 38,000 is definitely in a cool. Reason why, because if you look at this area here and this area there, this is the area of invalidation. Now, this area is really important because when you see this invalidation there, it just means that we are currently going to head away back down into this zone there. Now, that is really important because that's the most important area. Because if you go below there, I can see us going all the way back down into this zone. And if that was to happen, then it looks like we could be looking at $27,000 coin or even 31,000. So far, that is the most important resistance support area, or should we say support area, at 30,000 approximately at this range over here. Now that is the main important area. If you break below this area over here, I can see us literally going all the way back down over here. It's not going to be one straight line. I can see us maybe do like this and possibly go back down into that zone. If that was to play out, you'd be making a massive gain if you are heavily involved into Bitcoin, which means you can actually accumulate as we go all the way down. Now, for the rest of the market, it means we'll be going down even more percentage. So keep an eye whether you're leverage trading on the altcoins. But if you are a Bitcoin hodler, you can literally bag yourself more coins as we go back down by increasing your bag. Now that's the weekly chart. Let's look at the daily charts. Now on the daily chart, it looks like, wait a second. On a daily chart, it looks like we will at least be coming back down into this level over here. Reason why, because this area here is invalidation. Now in this invalidation area, thank you. And this invalidation area over here means that we should be expecting a move at least down into the zone over here. Okay, so that zone is essentially means that it should be approximately 37. Anything lower than that, we should be expecting $34,000. Now, let's keep an eye, because I've always stated in all my videos that we should be reactive rather than predicting, and wait until we see what happens over here. Now, because we see nothing but green candles over here, now that should be a perfect indication that where we are right now should be a decent trade for us to enter right now with the targets of down there. Now, whether you are in ADA, altcoins or whatnot, it will pull back maybe 4, 5, maybe even 10%, depending on what coins that you will in. So stay vigilant. I hope this is a lesson learned, that whenever Bitcoin goes down by even 2-3%, double, maybe triple that in alts. Now, that is my news today for Bitcoin. Please watch my other videos on alts via here, or via there. That way you stay in tuned in terms of how to trade and how to avoid being stopped at any trade. Or if you're looking to add more to your bag, just follow these videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.